Hello everyone, welcome back to the Premier League preview of Cool School. This is Kaushik and I'm going to preview Game Week 37. The first match of this game week is between Norwich and Burnley. In the previous game week, Norwich lost to Chelsea and Burnley drew with Wolves. Norwich, the team who has beaten Manchester City earlier in the season, are relegated now, which is sad. And in the previous game week, Burnley showed great character as they got a point against a stronger Wolves team. And the equalizing goal for Burnley came in the 96th minute, which is impressive. And Burnley are a top 10 team now, and they are 5 points ahead of 11th placed team, which is Everton. So I will go for Burnley to win this match comfortably. And the next match is between Bournemouth and Southampton. In the previous game week, Bournemouth lost to Manchester City by 2-1. They gave a very good fight against arguably the second best team in the league, if not the best. As a result of the defeat, Bournemouth are still in 18th place. And since Watford also lost in the previous game week, Bournemouth still has a chance to move up to 17th place and they can escape from the relegation zone. Whereas Southampton had a better game week as they got a point against Brighton. And this match is going to be very tight. I will go for Bournemouth to win this match as they are fighting for Premier League survival. In the next match we have is Spurs versus Leicester. In the previous game week, Spurs won against Newcastle and Harry Kane scored a brace for them. As a result, they moved up to 7th place ahead of Sheffield United and they are just 1 point below Wolves. And Leicester also had a much needed victory against Sheffield United and they even kept a clean sheet. As a result, they keep their 4th place as their goal difference is better than Manchester United. This is a very important match for both of them and I will go for a draw in this match. In the next match is between Brighton and Newcastle. As I said earlier, Brighton drew with Southampton and Newcastle lost to Spurs in the previous game week. As a result of their draw, Brighton moved down to 16th place, so they need to perform a lot better to be safer in the points table. Whereas Newcastle are already safe as far as relegation is concerned, and I think both the teams will get a point in this match. In the next we have is Sheffield United versus Everton. After Sheffield United's loss in the previous game week against Leicester, they moved down to 8th place. So they need to perform a lot better in this match. And Everton also didn't have a good game week as they got just a point against Aston Villa. So they are in bottom half of the table and are in 11th place in fact. And I think Sheffield United will bounce back and win this match, but it will be tough though. And the next we have is between Wolves and Crystal Palace. In the previous game week, Wolves drew with Burnley and Palace lost to Manchester United. Raul Jimenez scored again for Wolves and he is on 17 goals now. What a great season he is having. And Palace found it difficult to even get a point against Manchester United. And I think Wolves will win this match and will hold on to their 6th place. In the next match is between Watford and Manchester City. In the previous game week, Watford lost poorly against West Ham by 3-1. As a result, they are in 17th place and are still in danger of getting relegated. Whereas Manchester City in the previous game week won against Bournemouth. As a result, they kept Bournemouth still in 18th place. Let us see if they help Bournemouth by beating Watford in this match. And I will go for Manchester City to win this. And the next we have is Aston Villa versus Arsenal. In the previous game week, Aston Villa drew with Everton and Arsenal won against Liverpool. Villa has to win this as they are in 19th place. And Arsenal had a shocking victory against Liverpool as they converted 2 gifts from Liverpool into 2 goals. And they didn't create any chance at all themselves. They kept on defending, which was their tactic, and they won that match. And I think Arsenal will win this match as well. And the penultimate match of this game week is between Manchester United and West Ham. David Moyes' old team versus David Moyes' current team. Both the teams won convincingly in the previous game week. And it is a very important match for both of them for different reasons. One team trying to qualify for the Champions League and the other team trying to stay away from the relegation zone. And I think Manchester United will win this match. And the last match of this game week is also the marquee match of this game week between Liverpool and Chelsea. Champions Liverpool are going to lift the trophy after this match at Anfield, which is very delightful to see for every Liverpool fan all over the world. I am very much looking forward to it, being a Liverpool fan. And since Chelsea's top 4 is still not guaranteed, they will try and do everything to win this match. But since Liverpool are trying to come back after their defeat against Arsenal, they will not make it easy for Chelsea. And I want Liverpool to win this match, and I think they will win this. So that's all from this preview of Game Week 37. Hope you all liked it. Thank you for watching and for your continued support. See you in my next video. Bye everyone.